basically all I'm doing here is I'm just sanding down all this surface rust off here. I'm gonna get it all sanded down, go through it, make sure I didn't miss any spots, and then after that put some rust reformer wherever it needs it. I think I might be having to cut out that front end piece, and I might have to replace it. But other than that, it's pretty solid. Doesn't look too bad. So after that, I'm gonna put some paint on it and then see what it looks like afterwards. So I want to show you guys something really quick on the driver's side strut tower. So this right here is where they usually get rust. Now what happens is that the brake master cylinder starts leaking all the brake fluid, and it starts to drip down and rip away this paint right here. So it's kind of inevitable on these. A lot of the times these Fox Buddies always have this. So if you're ever going to look at one and say they just threw some fresh paint on it, always check right here, because if you see this and it's rusted out, the body is going to be almost worthless. I mean, it's going to have to take a certain buyer to actually want to buy one of those and fix that. So always keep an eye out for that. Personally, I think any other rust on these is pretty fixable, but I think this is the worst and most common spot they get it. So.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. You OPN, hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.